Last year, a rural access road I visited failed 3 times in 6 months. Potholes, rutting, mud soup after every rain. The fix everyone knew? Add more cement and lime, more trucks, more cost, same outcome. So I tried something different: polymer-modified soil stabilization. Think of it as giving the soil a smart glue. Polymers wrap around particles, lock them in, and keep water from tearing everything apart. Here's the simple idea. Emulsion dispersions, like ETONIS, go in as liquids and mix on site. Fast, clean, and they work across many soil types. Synthetic polymers, PAM PVA SBR, act like elastic binders, forming a flexible, water-resistant matrix. Natural options: lignin derivatives, starch-based polymers, chitosan, bring an eco-friendly push. Polymer-modified bitumen boosts the asphalt layer with flexibility and rutting resistance. Geosynthetics, PPP, HDPE, material shots, geogrids, geocells, geomembranes, add structure where the soil needs a skeleton. Where do I use it? Subgrades, embankments, unpaved roads, especially when I want to reuse the soil on site instead of hauling in new material. Sometimes it replaces cement or lime entirely. Sometimes it supercharges them. The results that matter: durability, it holds up through wet, dry, freeze-thaw cycles. Sustainability, fewer cement trucks, lower CO2, more recycling of what's already there. Performance, higher load-bearing capacity, better compressive strength, lower permeability. Efficiency, faster curing, quicker reopenings, less downtime. Is it magic? No, it's materials science. I still run a soil investigation. I match polymer type to gradation and plasticity. I check dosage, moisture, compaction, curing. Do that right, and the road stops failing. On that rural road, we stabilize the subgrade with an emulsion plus a touch of PAM, reinforced soft spots with geogrid, topped with PMB asphalt. 6 months later, no rutting, no pumping, no potholes, traffic up, maintenance down. If your base keeps failing, don't just add more cement. Bind smarter. Stabilize with polymers and turn failure into a fix that lasts.